What's better than jumping into your own pool on a hot summer day? Welcome home to 205 Corbin Drive. This beautiful 4-bed, 3.5-bath home is minutes from the KIRKWOOD school complex and a short drive to the interstate. The well-maintained neighborhood has street lamps and sidewalks. The covered front porch has plenty of room for rocking chairs. Hardwood floors greet you as you step into the inviting entryway and continue throughout the main level. A formal dining room is located just off of the gourmet kitchen. This dedicated office space is perfect for working from home. Coffered ceilings in the great room give the space an elevated feel. There is also a fireplace and access to the back porch. Here is a closer look at the stone fireplace, a focal point of the spacious great room. A closet underneath the staircase offers convenient storage space. And take a look at this gourmet kitchen. There is ample cabinet and counter space as well as stainless steel appliances. An island and a breakfast bar provide extra prep space and seating. The open concept ensures you won't miss what's going on in the great room while working in the kitchen, great for family time or entertaining. The breakfast nook has a view of the backyard. A powder room is also conveniently located on the main level for guests. The utility room also has extra cabinet space and an oversized sink. The primary suite is located on the main level and has a tray ceiling. This spa-like primary bath has a soaking tub, as well as his and her vanities, and an oversized tile shower. There is no shortage of storage in the huge walk-in closet. There are 3 additional spacious bedrooms on the second level of the home. This is the second bedroom.